Today's lesson is Lesson 50, Part 1, Subtracting a Number from 10. We can use the sum of 10 facts to help us find the answers for subtracting a number from 10. Okay. So here on the first one, I have a missing number, and so I think 1 plus what equals 10? Well, 1 plus 9 equals 10, 2 plus 8 equals 10, 3 plus 7 equals 10, 4 plus 6 equals 10, and 5 plus 5 equals 10. I will cover one of the add-ins. Remember, add-ins are the numbers we add together. So if I cover up this number here, okay, and I wanted to find the missing add-in, well, I would think 10 minus 1 equals 9, because that was the other fact. I could also say that 10 minus 9 equals 1 if I covered up the other add-in. Okay, so I could think 10 minus 8 equals 2, or 10 minus 2 equals 8. Okay, then there's 10 minus 3 equals 7, or 10 minus 7 equals 3. 10 minus 4 would equal 6, and 10 minus 6 would equal 4. 10 minus 5 equals 5, and that's the same for both facts because the 5s are the same number. Okay, so the second part of this assignment is working with problem solving. Okay, so let's say that John wants to buy 2 different items at the school store. He has 50 cents to spend. We want to show all the combinations of the 2 different items he could buy with 50 cents. So a notebook costs 32 cents, a pencil is 21 cents, a marker is 29 cents, an eraser is 17 cents. Okay, and we need to know what different combinations of 2 different items he can get. Okay, so we're going to plan how to solve this by doing an organized list. So if he chooses a notebook, what else could he choose? So I'm going to put an N for notebook. Well, he could also choose, so notebook is 32 cents. A marker is 29 cents. He could choose a notebook and a marker. He could choose a notebook and a pencil. Or he could choose a notebook and an eraser. Okay, so M, N, and P stand for marker, pencil, and eraser. Okay. If he chooses a marker first, what else could he get? Well, he could get a marker and a pencil, or he could get a marker and an eraser. I don't need to say a marker and a notebook because I already have that over here. And the only last combination we have is if he gets a pencil, he could also get an eraser. So these are all the different combinations he could get. And again, I don't need to do a marker and an eraser or a marker and a pencil because we already have those written down. Okay, so the items he could buy with 50 cents is the next part of the problem. Okay, so if I added up the cost of the notebook and the marker, that'd be 32 plus 29. Well, 32 plus 29 equals 61 cents. So I know he cannot get those two that combination of the notebook and marker. Okay, so the notebook and the pencil would be 32 plus 21, and that equals 53 cents. So again, that's too expensive. The notebook and eraser he could get, because 32 plus 17 equals 49. So that he has enough for that one. The marker and the pencil would be 29 plus 21, which equals 50, so that's enough. Marker and eraser, he has enough for that one. And the pencil and eraser, he has enough for. So these are the combinations he could get. with his 50 cents. Okay, and that's it for this assignment. Good luck on your homework.